Are you still not selling globally on Amazon? Expanding globally is one of the best way to increase sales for your Amazon products. Hi, my name is Anu Patel and I am the founder of Ads Zenith. Today in this video, I'm going to let you know step by step how you can go global, and you can do it by yourself. All steps are very easy to follow and there are tools from Amazon to help you with this. Apart from this, you can take help from the agency or the Amazon partner who is helping you with your Amazon business. And never forget, I am always here to help you with everything related to selling on Amazon. You can hire me. I can help you with anything related to selling on Amazon. As I said, be it PPC, catalog, design, seller central issues are going globally. So without any further delay, let's dive in the today's topic, which is going global. Selling globally is crucial in today's era to increase the sales, and this is the win-win situation for Amazon sellers as they are already selling on Amazon in one marketplace. And when I am saying to go global, expand globally, I'm not referring to remote fulfillment option, because when you do remote fulfillment, you ship products from one country to another country via remote fulfillment option, and this increase the cost and delivery time, which is not good. It is good for testing. You can test it out, but you cannot say it going global actually. So as I said, there are various tools to help you going global, and these two tools like FBA and AGL, these two tools are game changer. FBA is fulfillment by Amazon. This tool help you ship your products from Amazon's warehouse to customers. Let's take an example. You are in USA and you are selling in USA Amazon.com, and now you decided to sell in Germany as well, Amazon.de. Now you don't need to go there. You simply need to ship your products to FBA in Germany, and now every time a customer in Germany place an order on Amazon for your product, FBA in Germany will ship your products to the customers in Germany. So it is a very seamless process and very effective process. You just need to ship your products from your warehouse to FBA. Now to help you here, like FBA help you to ship your products from your FBA to customers. Now to help you your products to ship from your warehouse to FBA, they have another tool which is called AGL, Amazon Global Logistics. You can use this tool to ship your products from any country to any country, right? And on top of that, AGL will help you with the custom clearance as well, and that is the best thing of this tool. So what's stopping you? Let me tell you a simple plan how you can start step by step. So let's assume again that you are in USA and you are selling on Amazon.com, Amazon USA. So let's start testing Canada or Mexico. I'll recommend going one by one. So let's assume you are starting with Canada. So use remote fulfillment option to test it out. Yes, remote fulfillment. List your products in Canada via remote fulfillment with competitive pricing. I know competitive pricing will be hard because you have a cost involved. Shipping cost is also there. But do it competitively, even you are at break even, because this is the testing phase. And once you see good results in your testing, then you can ship your products to Canada FBA actually, and this way you can now when you ship your products to Canada FBA, you can be competitive in pricing and you can deliver your products faster, and then you can scale in Canada. So this is a way you can repeat to go to Mexico as well. Now you can head over to EU marketplaces like Germany, UK, Spain, Poland, France, all these marketplaces. And the best part is you need to send your products to only two FBA centers. One is UK, other one is Germany. Once you ship your products to these fulfillment centers, all the other marketplaces will be covered, like Poland, Netherlands, Spain, Italy, all these marketplaces will be covered once you ship your products to these two fulfillment centers. And selling in EU marketplaces may be a little bit challenging for yourself because you require to register for VAT. And again, a good thing is you just need to register for VAT in only two marketplaces, Germany and UK. Once you register in these two marketplaces, you don't need to register in other marketplaces like France, Italy and Spain and so on. You can work with the same VAT you have in Germany. And to help you with your VAT registration, Amazon has listed trusted VAT service providers in inside Seller Central itself. You can simply find them by going in reports and manage your VAT. You can see see this in the screenshot. Screenshot should be visible here. And then once you click on here, you will be directed to a place where you can see all the trusted VAT service providers. You can choose one of them and then you can go from there. Once you are done with your registration, once you are done with your VAT, you can start sending your inventory to one FBA center. I always recommend to go test one by one. So send your inventory to Germany. I recommend Germany because you can cover more marketplaces than UK. So send your inventory to Germany and test this marketplace out, and I'm very sure that it is going to work for you. And let me tell you, for almost every seller we are working with, I have expanded globally, and it works almost all the time. So that's it. I hope you liked this video and you learned something new. Please hit a like if you liked, and do subscribe if you want to keep watching this kind of content. And for any questions or queries, you can simply write to me at anup@arsgnet.com, or simply you can put your questions in the comment. I would love to reply. So that's it for today. Let's meet with a new topic, with a new video very soon. Bye bye for now.